EKRUT mission. Are you the one that we are looking for? This platform is special for you. We aim to create a seamless experience in the pursuit of better opportunity. Here we go.
I'm the one.
I'll help you to develop information systems by designing, developing, and installing software solutions.
The team player is here. Be able to create a plan and execute throughout product lifecycle.
Hi, you also need me, the hardest talent of 21st century, someone who makes value out of data.
If you are the one of those people, we highly support you to gain your career. Come on, let's start with EKRUT now.